So you're looking for the best truck floor mats that you can find? Well, then you clicked on the right video. So today we're gonna go through a mat that I've actually just found out about, didn't even know they made. And from a guy who owned a ton of Weathertech mats over the past and dealt with the peeling or discoloration that comes in a long-term use, I'm gonna give you my initial reaction to a great mat that I just found that's, well, a lot cheaper than the Weathertech. So stay tuned, let's get into it. So you can tell here the mats today are gonna be for my 2021 Chevy Silverado. And the company we're actually gonna be going with is called Lasfit. Lasfit, however you pronounce it, I'm honestly not sure. I've heard it both ways in a lot of videos. But they actually sent me these mats at a discount, but I promise you, you're not gonna get a bought review from me. You're gonna get 100% the truth. I'm gonna tell you like it is no matter what. But let's jump right into how they show up at your house, and we'll get with the unboxing, and then I'm gonna show you the comparison of these mats versus the actual Z71 all-weather mats that come in my truck. And I'm actually gonna show you how these fit a little bit better in some places and come with a little bit different of a feature. So I'm gonna show you what I like and dislike about both mats, but then let's jump right into this unboxing because you gotta start there first. All right, so now before you go and click out today's video, I will tell you there's gonna be a coupon code here for 10% off on Lasfit products, which I'll leave in the description below. And also don't forget our link that we have here for our Blender sunglasses. Those will give you 15% off on those. All right, now, so when they come to you, they come in a box just like this. Very easy packaging. All right, let's get my initial thoughts. Now, sorry for the shadow on these today, guys. I'm trying to do this before it gets hot. It's supposed to be like 97 degrees outside today. So, first thoughts. They feel just like the all-weather mats that come in these trucks, the Z71s. And now, which is very similar to a Weathertech mat. I think they might be made by Weathertech, I'm not 100% sure, but they cost a significant more than these do. I think these mats come in under $200, so that's always a plus. Now, I was speaking with the people over at Lasfit that sent me these things. They said to leave them out and let them sit out in the sun for a little while, so that way they'll kind of get their form from where they've been in the box. Because even like this back mat, it's so big, and because this is a one piece, they have to fold it in half to get it in the box. So you're gonna wanna let this sit out for a little while, and that way it'll regain its shape again. All right, so now like was recommended, these have been laying out here for a little while in the heat. They had the sun on for just a little bit, but they really just been in the hot temps. It's like 95 today. It's super hot. But now that we got the old mats out, let's get the new ones in and I'll show you what I like better. So on the front passenger mat here, now the other mats, the stock ones that come with the Z71s, it does cover a little bit of the side panel here. The back on these seems to fit a little bit more snug than the stock ones does. That fits in nice, but I will say the stock one also covers this carpet right here a lot more. But those are a lot more expensive than these are. So if you're wanting a cheaper option, these really do look and fit great, but I do like the back more. So now when it comes to the back mat here, I do like this one a lot more than I like the Z71s. It is a one-piece mat, first off, so it doesn't have the seam here, which seemed to collect dirt. I noticed that when I took it out. But also it has this lip on the back here that sits up against this carpet bump for the storage area. The old one went under it. So I like that if you ever spilled anything back here now, it keeps it from running into the carpet here. And it's really gonna push everything out towards the doors. And you have a lip in the front here also to help catch spills. And so the tread pattern on these is cool. I do like it. It fits up here good around the top. I do like it has like the false snaps like the front does, so they all match. I do like this back mat better than I do the stock ones for sure. And like I said, price point, way cheaper. So now the driver's side mat, I do have the same complaints that I have on the other side, but I do like these snaps better. The other stock snaps, there's a hole, it's open so dirt can get in that seam. There's no seam there, it's nice and sealed. Also, like I said, it doesn't fit all the way up to this side here, but that's no big deal. It covers this up. The other one does kind of come around this corner a little bit better. There's the Z71 mats, and it covers more on the side the Z71 mats do. And now I have just finished installing these mats, and I will say, I would recommend these mats. They actually are very nice mats. The material is actually really nice. I want to say in the thing it says it's made from recycled materials, but don't quote me on that. That might have been false. I'll put it up here if it is. But like I said, the back mat, awesome. I would actually purchase that even if I had the Z71 mats. I don't know if you can purchase it by itself, but it's a great mat alone. Front mats, they will work great if you don't already have the Z71 mats in your truck and you don't want to spend the money to get them. I think the Z71 like stock ones are double what these mats are, which is crazy for what you get. They're all rubber, they're the same thing. You're just paying for the name that you're buying them from the dealership, basically. Weathertech mats, I think, are also probably $60 or $70 more expensive, and these seem like they have the same exact quality. They are great products. I mean, for the price point at just over 100 bucks, you can't beat these. So, and now I do think they have these for most all models of vehicles as well. Matter of fact, I think I'm probably gonna talk to them about, we're gonna get some on the old 4Runner because her mats could be upgraded for sure. So we're probably gonna talk to them about that. And now, like I said, make sure you use the code below because that's gonna get you 10% off these orders. Now that also is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel, which that helps us bring you content like this. When you guys help purchase things through links and stuff, it's not that I'm trying to get rich, trust me, not getting rich. It's just helping support the channel to keep doing future things and to keep growing. So with all that said, this is Shane Heath. I'll catch you on the next video.